The inception of the life energy's presence on Earth, in its physical manifestations, took place immediately before the inception of its antithesis, nuclear fission. The former carries the impulse required in order to secure the correct evolutionary path of the Earth. The latter carries the seed of annihilation aimed at human evolution. The scientist that achieved the deed of bringing down to a material degree of perception the physical manifestations of the life energy's influence is Wilhelm Reich. He devised an apparatus called the Orgone Energy Accumulator, based on conductivity achieved by means of an arrangement of alternating layers of organic and inorganic materials within a cabinet-like construction. In the process of attraction and reflection of the outside influence, namely the air, as understood thus far in relation to the inside of the accumulator, a constant raise in temperature was found to take place under all scenarios. Wilhelm Reich tested and experimented this finding, placing a specially built accumulator, a smaller version, outdoors exposed to the frigid northeastern nights of Maine, where the laboratory was located, burying it underground, covering it with a blanket indoors, suspended from the floor to discard any heat convection. The thermometer arranged for the purpose, placed at the top of the accumulator, registered a constant temperature increase from within the device. This experiment demonstrated that space is alive, refuting the law of entropy.